This place is killer. Killer means real killer it is. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your host Keith and you're watching Wild Hack. So yes, so this is the last episode of my travel trip and I really enjoyed it. So I am at Pipalgaon, which is called the Joga Dam. In fact, the Joga Lake you can call it. So I was just passing by. I left from Rahuri at around 8 in the morning and I've reached here. It's around 12:30 right now and I'm just clicking some pictures. So it's taking some time, but yes, so this is the Ahmednagar Kalyan road, the highway you can call it, which goes via Malshesh Ghat. So we are going to travel via Malshesh Ghat and I'm very excited to take you all through to Malshesh Ghat. Before that, I just entered this place. I keep exploring and boy, just have a look at the view out here. This is Pipalgaon and it's called the Joga Dam. Joga Dam is quite further, so I'm just passing by. So I just entered this village sort of thing to see what exactly it is, and I reached this place and it's amazing. It's quiet again, no one out here. Have a look at this place, guys. It is amazing. It's just amazing. Mountains all over and big huge water body. You can see the mountain right at the back and very beautiful. So my journey has been really amazing. I really enjoyed the village life and I keep exploring villages. So if you all do like my videos, please do share and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm just telling this at the start because I may just forget at the end, because this is going to be a long journey, because I've already completed 150 kilometers and I have another 150 kilometers back home. Have a look at this place, guys, and then we'll move from here to Mumbai via the Malshesh Ghat, and I'll show you all the Malshesh Ghat as well. My bit of fun. Now heading towards Malshesh Ghat and then home. It's been a long journey and I really enjoyed this journey, and there will be a lot of such small travel trips. So please stay connected to my channel. You can see this fields out here. Ladies walking in the fields. You can see greenery on one side and it's dry on the other side. And now we'll join the Ahmednagar Kalyan road. Take a right that goes to Ahmednagar, and this will take me to Mumbai. Quite hot in the afternoon to ride, and when you're traveling, like, it's around 150 kilometers the trip. We can see it's around 150 kilometers. I started since the morning, and by the end of the day it should be around 300 plus kilometers I will be traveling. So I used to travel in short trips around 200-250 kilometers. That is how you can travel if you're a amateur or you're a beginner. There are people who hit 600 kilometers in a day. You can do that, but if you want to explore and enjoy your ride, 200-250 kilometers you can start off with. From here on, you can see this beautiful grass fields. That is the Joga Dam, or the Joga Lake you can call Pipalgaon. You can see the mountains out here, and the terrain is amazing. Have a look at those grass. They grow quite tall. Yeah, there are cattails there. So when I was in Jalgaon, I clicked some pictures of cattails trees because there were a lot of banana plantation there. I couldn't film that because my battery was low. Wow, look at this. This is what I like. Just have a look at the road and the mountain behind. What a scenic view it is, and a treat for any rider. And Marshesh Ghat is always beautiful during the rains. I'm here in the winters, it's all dry. Take left, that will take you to Junnar. Just have a look at that mountain range, guys. Wow. Wow, look at this. How beautiful it is, yaar. Oh. So there are some hotels out here, small hotels or dhabas you can call them, and you can stop for food. And I have decided that I am hungry right now, but I will cross Marshesh Ghat, and then once I reach down I will eat something, because I haven't had anything since morning and I've never showed you all what I eat. So I really enjoy travel just because you get to eat good sort of food while you travel. The taste is different every time, every place you travel. There is a speciality about the food. Here is the road, Ghat Road. Oh, I need a quick picture out here. Beautiful. इधर तो एक picture बनता है boss. There is another hotel. There are a lot of hotels opened up right now, and there are a lot of bikers. They just come in and can stop for a lunch or a brunch. Mumbai is 145 kilometers. I just want to take you all through to Marshesh Ghat, and then once I reach down, I'll end the vlog and then I'll eat. So this is the view from here. So you all can go and click some pictures if you all want out there as well. I'll just click a few pictures and then I'll head back. If there's a drone, guys, then you can get a really good view from here. But this is how the view is. So I just click some pictures, and now this is how it is. Marshesh Ghat during the rains now, guys. This place is killer. Killer means real killer it is. There are stones and all falling from top at times, but it brings life to the space. This is a temple. There are some monkeys. The start near the ghat, you get a lot of monkeys. This time I've just seen them here, and just one monkey where I halted. This is Marshesh Ghat for you guys. You enjoyed the view of Marshesh Ghat. So there is a point at that end and there is a point at this end. You can come and click pictures, and there are hawkers with some sort of snacks like butta, Maggie, tea. I can come and munch on that. Oh, there is some work going on, I guess. Need to be careful out here because the vehicles coming on the other end don't have much space, especially these huge vehicles like this. Just need to give them space. Careful when you're having Mastercard card. They haven't stopped me. So the reason they're stopping people is in case if you're not wearing mask, and in case if you are not wearing a helmet. That is the reason why they will stop you. That is what I have observed. I'll just check if I can get something to eat. I'm very hungry. So this is the start of Marshesh Ghat. Just have a look how scenic it is. It's very hot here. काय भेटणार काय खायला?
पाव भाजी, मिसळ, ऑमलेट.
अरे तसं भेटणार काय जेवण नाही भेटणार? नाही? Okay.
ऑमलेट भुर्जी.
Okay, so the shop where I have halted is when you just come from there straight. Here's the shop. दुकानाचं नाव काय? सृष्टी हॉटेल. So the shop name is Srushti Hotel. Alright guys, so finally just got fresh after a long ride and it's too late. It's around 3ish right now and I've ended my ride. I just ordered misal pav and vada and some bhajas to snack on because he doesn't have any sort of food right now because it's already post lunch. So never mind, I'll just snack on this and then I'll go home and have good sort of food. But I hope you'll enjoy this vlog guys, and we'll have a lot more rides coming up. Hopefully the pandemic is over and we can ride. So I really enjoyed. There was no sort of restriction and I mostly visited the village. I hope you all enjoyed all the videos and this sort of series of mine. So with this I'll end my vlog. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. Please hit the like button, please do share my video and please do subscribe to the channel guys. I'm doing all this for you all so you can enjoy the view, and it's really amazing and I really like adventure. So if you want to watch any sort of these vlogs, you can do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all soon in the next vlog. Till then, take care guys, stay safe, bye.